Now that a source is set up, it's time to add integrations. After this video, you'll hit the Done button at the bottom of the window, and the system will navigate you to the integration window of your source to start configuring them. Remember that a source can be made up of several integrations to different platforms. And the three main operations are Get Inventory Primary, Send POs, and Get Shipments. Get Inventory Primary is the integration that will import product data from your source. This can be configured with any of our standard or custom integrations and is responsible for product data importing to Flxpoint. Whether that's new products coming into Flxpoint, product content updates, and pricing quantity updates, they'll all be updated using the GIP, unless you're using a Get Inventory secondary operation for pricing and quantity updates. Send PO FRs will send purchase orders or fulfillment requests to your source. Whether you need to send a file to an email or an FTP or connect with a pre-integrated inventory source supplier via the Flxpoint API, this operation is where you'll set that up. Get Shipments will import shipment data from your source. Again, can use any of our standard integrations, but this operation will pull in tracking number shipment information for an associated PO number within Flxpoint. I'll hit Done, and it'll bring us to our integration setup, and I can start creating my Get Inventory Primary integration. Within the operations in Flxpoint, you will go through 3 steps during the setup. Step 1 being to connect an integration. For example, a CSV file that we're reading in from an FTP location. We select our connection and hit Save and Proceed. Step 2 is where you can configure some settings for that integration. For example, the file folder and the file name we need to pull that data from on that FTP. Once you look through all the settings and set them up how you wish, you can hit Save and Proceed. The last step is to define a mapping template. This section represents where we're going to import the data points from the supplier feed, i.e. the supplier may provide an MPN column, but no SKU column. You could bring in the values in the MPN column, but map to the SKU field in Flxpoint. Once you set up your mapping template, you can hit Save and Complete. Thanks for watching this video about setting up your integrations in your new source. Below this video, you will see the suggested operations for you to set up. Click Done when you're ready to get started, and if you run into any issues moving forward, you can always reach out to our support team.